Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term TS16949. It's a quality management system, particular requirements for the application of ISO 9001 for automotive production and relevant service part organization. When this is used along with the ISO, defines the quality management system requirement for the design and development, production, and when relevant installation and service of automotive related products. ISO or TS 16949 is applicable to sites of the organization where customer specific parts for production and or service are manufactured. Supporting function, whether on-site or remote, such as design centers, corporate headquarters, and distribution center, form part of site audit as they support the site but cannot obtain standalone certification to this TS 16949. TS 16949 can be applied throughout the automotive supply chain. Why TS and not ISO 16949? The ISO is a worldwide organization that develops different kinds of standards, and recommendations to ISO for a new specification requires 2/3 majority vote to be approved as a technical specification. That's why the name TS is coming there. Once it is approved by 3/4 of the members, then it becomes the standard like ISO 9001. The question is, why do company want to implement TS 16949? Registration was a requirement for any company wanting to supply its product to any automotive industry. Companies registered to this technical specification were required to develop their supplier's quality management system with the goal of supplier conforming to TS 16949. The first step in this development was often for the supplier to achieve third-party certification like ISO 9001. These are all maybe to certify a supplier, make sure the supplier meets basic standard, and we have been using in automotive field this kind of certification either from our vendors or our clients also look similar certification specifically in the automotive component supply field. Thanks for watching. Bye.